This video will demonstrate how to use the new return management feature. You can configure this option in your shipment default so that a return label is also created when a forward label is created. Go to Account. Then click on Shipment Defaults. To enable this feature, click on the corresponding checkbox on the Labels section. You can also configure a default return service from UPS. Click on Save Changes to confirm your selections and save the settings. You can now start creating a forward label with a return label immediately in one step instead of setting it up individually. You will also now see the rates for both forward label and return label when creating the shipment. As soon as you create the shipment, you will see in the next screen that you can download both the shipment label and the return label. This operation can also be done in bulk. You don't have to do this individually per order. Select multiple orders. Go to the upper right corner on the Actions menu and click on Create Shipping Labels. You will see the option enabled, that for all orders selected, a return label should also be created. Alternatively, if you just want to create return labels and not use forward labels, you can also do this in bulk. Select multiple orders. Go to the upper right corner on the Actions menu and select Create Return Labels. Review the orders and rate the shipments. You will get a total charge for all return labels. Click on the Create Shipments button. You will now see the shipments created. You can now select if you want to merge all the labels into one PDF file. If you want to download the labels as separate PDF files, select Download All Labels as Zip. This action creates a zipped folder containing 3 separate PDF files. You can also send the labels directly to your printer. And that is the new return management feature. For more tips on how to use the UPS e-commerce shipping dashboard, subscribe to this channel. And, if you are interested in even more features to optimize your workflows, get in contact with us at ecommerce.help/UPS.